Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's called Parkinson's syndrome, and it is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's disease. One of the reasons why I created the channel is to show that just because you have some special challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love, and what this girl knows and loves is makeup. Another reason why I started the channel is because I wanted to share with everybody products that I love, new releases, things like that. And it is giveaway time again. So there is still time to put in for the benefit giveaway. It's a very short video, short and sweet like this one. Just go to my channel, find that video. It will tell you how to enter, and good luck. All right, well, I did kind of a little bit of a haul. It's between Ulta, Sephora, and Walgreens, and I still have another Sephora order coming. But to be fair, I had to get the Fenty products, right? So maybe I'll feel a little less guilty about it if I share. All right, first of all, the other video that I'm posting for today is Twofer Tuesday, 2 short and sweet videos, is the NARS Skin Deep palette. And I have a whole review on it that I'm going to also post. But, oh, these are very pretty. Yes, it's another neutral palette, but it is a very pretty neutral palette. Good quality. They mix cools and warm tones in there, and I really like it. I'm wearing it right now. Definite thumbs up. I'm glad I got this. Another eye palette. Oh, I am such an eyeshadow junkie, guys. Oh, but since I already had one, I had to get the other. I got Rendezvous, which is the other, I do believe, Ulta exclusive from ColourPop. And I already got the purple one. I forget the name of that one. So I had to get this one. So here's what it looks like. Oh, so pretty. And I'm definitely going to review these. They're Ulta exclusives right now, but I'm sure they're going to be on the ColourPop website soon. And I just found out that they don't have Ulta in Canada. Oh, come on, Ulta. You guys need to go up there. Come on. Help the girls out. And guys, CoverGirl came out with some new products, and so I wanted to try them out. This is CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation with SPF. Supposedly lasts 24 hours. So I am going to actually put this to the test and put it on, take it out for a spin at the gym. We'll see. Then I also got, this is a new mascara. It's called the Exhibitionist Mascara. And I chose the waterproof one since my eyes water so bad. So I'll take this one out on a spin too, see how it does. But it says 90% like the results. It's supposed to give you thicker, longer lashes and curls lashes from root to tip. Check that out. And then the last CoverGirl thing that I got is the Melting Pout Vinyl Wow Liquid Lip. Now, I guess it's a liquid lip that's supposed to be shimmery. Let me take my lip off here. I guess it's supposed to be shimmery, or not shimmery, shiny, but stay on your lips. There we go. Of course, I won't be able to tell how well it stays right now, but we can see about application and stuff. All right, it's got kind of a tilted back wand. I don't know if you can see, kind of tilts back a little bit. Oh, that is shiny. Okay, feels good. Feels pretty good on the lips. It's probably not going to be very long lasting, but I like the application. All right, I'm going to give this a whirl. I did notice when I was looking at this that it says it is made by Coty now. It used to be Procter & Gamble, and now it's Coty, so I wonder if that's when it switched over to cruelty-free. Something I should really look into. Okay. Oh, I'm going to do a total brand review of Milani. So I got this Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. Wanted to try this out. They're coming out with a lot of really cool products coming up. So I wanted to do a whole review because the only thing from Milani that I really used much of is the setting mist, which I really liked, and the concealer, which I really liked. So I'm going to do an entire brand review. This is something that I needed to kind of finish off the products to be able to do an entire look with it. So I got that. And then somebody's birthday is coming up, and she wears Philosophy perfume. So I got her this little kit. Just a little preview. Okay, I like Clinique. Like, Clinique was one of the first brands when I started really getting into makeup. Like, I started playing with it when I was like 8. Well, I started trying to wear my mom's stuff when I was really, really little. But when I was like 8 years old, I started actually getting really into wearing makeup. I know that sounds young, but Clinique, when I started really kind of branching out and exploring different brands, was one of the brands that I went to, and I've loved ever since. So I got a high impact lip color in Peach Pop. I really like their products. So let's take a look. Here's the tube. Very pretty tube. Oh, and there's the color. Let's swatch this. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. All right, good choice. It was on the half off rack too, so very good choice. I am a sucker for a sale. Speaking of sales, they had Anastasia Beverly Hills products on sale too for $30, and the Brow Wiz is usually $21 a piece. So I picked up 2 more of these just to, you know, put in my backups. I know I'm going to buy them anyway, so I might as well save a little bit of money. Get them while they're on sale. I ordered, Dose of Colors came out with new eyeliners and lip liners. And wait until you see the component. It is so cute. They're like pens, like silver pens. This is the lip color, and I got it in the shade Honeymoon, which is a peach shade. But they are very smooth and creamy. So I really like that. And then here's the eyeliner. I got brown, which is Sketch is the color. And it's got the same kind of component where it looks like, you know, a fancy silver pen. Here, let me get this. But I wear brown eyeliner a lot. Here is the component. Oh, it's so cute. And this is also very smooth and very creamy. Here's that. So hopefully these work out well. I'll take them for a test drive and see how well they do. And Makeup Revolution came out with a cut crease canvas. Says applicator brush included. I'm probably still going to use a different brush with it because I use a really small brush when I do my cut crease. Let's take a look at this. So it's like a white concealer. Ooh, a lot comes out on the brush. Just a heads up, when you pop it out, a lot comes off on the brush. Brush is kind of stiff. I can see where that's good, really good for control. And it's a really opaque white. I think I'm really going to like this. Doesn't have a smell, which is good. I think I'm going to like that. And it seems to be drying okay already. Don't want to wait a long time for that to dry. So there's that. And this wasn't, I don't remember exactly how much this cost, but it's Makeup Revolution, so, you know, it's wallet friendly. What else did I get? Oh, I picked up, you remember I did the Infallible foundation, the new Infallible foundation review, and the color that I selected was so way too light for me. So I ordered another one in a deeper color. This is in color 420. And then because of all this makeup, I got the Boscia Luminizing Pink Mask. So I'm hoping that this works for me. Unfortunately, I am allergic to their black charcoal mask, but this is in the Sephora sale section right now. I don't know if it's being discontinued or they're changing the packaging or what, but I wanted to pick this up because it's supposed to be a brightening mask and it's fun to peel off masks. So, you know, I'm a kid that way and that's all right. Oh, last thing, I almost forgot. I got a couple e.l.f. face brushes. This is the Powder Face Brush Kit. So you get for all over powder and for precision powder. So e.l.f. brushes are actually really good. They're super wallet friendly, but they're really good brushes. And I thought these would be nice because I use a smaller one underneath my eyes for setting my powder or setting my foundation and concealer with a powder. And then a bigger one, of course, for all over the face. So I'm going to try these out. Thought that was a nice little pack. All right, guys, that is it for today. We're just going to do the 2 for Tuesday, put these 2 short and sweet videos together. Like I said before, there is still plenty of time to put in for that giveaway. It's a great giveaway with benefit products. So go check out that video and put in. And if you are a makeup maven new to makeup, just like watching videos about makeup, please subscribe. We want the makeup community to grow to be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup. All right, that's it. And I will talk to you guys down in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.